Greetings my friends and welcome back to another Android video. As always, you know I want to bring you an amazing strategy that is really simple and really easy to get into. A few days ago on stream I traded using strictly MACD, and sometimes having just one indicator isn't really enough and you have to add something else on top of it to make sure that you really can get the information that's needed before you make a decision to enter the trade. So today I'm bringing you another fantastic and easy to use strategy like I mentioned, and I want to show you how you can make money with it. So make sure to watch until the very end of this video. Hopefully we make some solid money. And of course, if you want to trade with me, if you want more strategies, access to more trading tools like Evo Trade Algorithm, like Nexus Vision, make sure to check out the link in the description below. We got everything for you, starting from complete beginner tools to more advanced tools. You can choose the style of trading that suits you and find something that really can elevate your trading game. So make sure to check it out. Send me a message at Android_pro. We do daily trading sessions, daily tutorials. You can participate and follow my trading decisions. On top of that, you can do social trading. When this pocket option system will only place the trades that I'm placing. So don't miss out. And now let's go into the market and let's make some money. All right, so I'm going to explain to you how to take trades with this strategy. First of all, MACD as a standalone can be a good indicator, but you still need extra confirmation in the form of a pattern, a candlestick pattern or a chart pattern to really enter off MACD alone. But what you can do is add 21 EMA, and you can add 9 EMA with different colors obviously, and you can use these EMAs as your entry point. So when the price is crossing above the moving averages, and when the shorter moving average, which is a 9 moving average, is above the red one, the 21 EMA, and you have MACD crossing upwards and having green bars build up, this is your buy position. And when the shorter EMA is below the 21 EMA and the MACD crosses below and you see red bars building up, this is your sell signal. It's very simple. There's just two things that you need to be looking out for, and of course you want to have a trending market first before you make any decision to place a trade. This is extremely important. You want to see some form of direction here, right here we see a cross. However, our other thing that we need the shorter EMA, which is the green one, to be above, and we don't really have that yet, so we can't really enter here. So there's quite a few things, there's only a few things that you need to be paying attention to with this strategy. But again, this style of trading is really emphasizing on precision and finding the exact right moment where you need to place your trade. So don't be rushing anything, don't be going crazy and trying to catch every single move. Sit out, find one good entry. This is exactly what we're gonna do, and place a little bit more than you usually do, but still be aware of money management. So we're gonna find that one situation that we really want to execute on. And by the way, this works with any type of expiration time, whether it's 2 minutes, 3 minutes. You can use the strategy on any time frame. So let's wait. Maybe this is gonna be our entry. We already have the cross here. Actually, I do think I'm gonna be entering a little bit preemptively here, as everything is pointing towards a nice trade here. So we're gonna place even more here. 6,000 I think is pretty good for me. You know that my usual goal is to make around 5,000 to 6,000 a day. So this one trade should yield me everything that I need, and this is exactly why we're going in. We're probably going to see rejection of the 29 EMA here. So let's sit it out and see if we get the profit. Unfortunately, we actually took a big loss. I definitely should have sat out and waited for the cross here. So this is my mistake. I did just recommend you to not enter preemptively and to be patient, but I rushed there again and it results in a $2,000 loss. So we're gonna have to do another trade, but again, you can learn from my mistakes. I thought that I can enter a little bit preemptively there, and that was definitely not a correct call from me, and I was a little bit unlucky as well, as we got the move started. So we can go and check it out again. So the price does reject, it does go down, but we just didn't hit the cross that we really need here, and the price, the shorter EMA being below the longer EMA, which is 21. So here is a very good situation. So I'm gonna place 5,000 on this one, wait for the price to retrace and place another let's do another 2,000 here, as I'm actually expecting a strong red candle to appear here. We got the cross, we have momentum, still is kind of showing us, MACD showing us bullish pressure. However, you can see that both lines have crossed. We are moving downward strongly. This currently serves as our resistance level, and we get strong confirmation in the form. We had a strong uptrend here, right? The price went on 1 minute time frame pretty high here, and then we got a reversal here, and MACD is also moving downwards parallel to each other, and this is our signal here. Again, on 1 minute time frame, the chart can be really noisy. It's gonna be really hard sometimes to find a nice entry. That's why you gotta be patient. I had to place a little bit more money to offset the initial loss, but here it is. We're executing this trade, and we're finally making that profit that I was looking forward, and this puts me at $4,000 already of profit. So I only need to do one more trade to hit my goal, because you know my goal is around 5,000 to 6,000 here. So this is exactly what we're gonna be looking for, and I'm gonna place a smaller trade here, 1,000, just to make sure that I can secure this small move here. And again, we have the cross, right? This chart is not the best, right? I would recommend finding sometimes a better chart. You don't want to have these sideways chops here happening and overlaps on the chart and crosses. You really want to have a stable downtrend with minimal waves, and then after you find such a chart and you find a clean cross here, you can really look for that entry and get your money here. Not the best situation. However, MACD is strongly showing bearish trend, bearish momentum, and of course I had to enter fresh off the cross here on the moving averages, which is my extra confirmation here, and this is gonna bring me all that I need for the day, and I'm going to hit my goal right now with another $920 going straight into my pocket. So there it is, 5,000 done. We got the money very easily, and yeah, we started off a little bit rough. I was a little bit hasty with that entry, but we corrected our mistake. We found better entries and we executed our trade. So this is how it's done. So if you want to find a system that really works for you, you have to trade quite a bit. You have to trade a little bit. You have to get familiar with certain indicators, with certain price movement and price action, and start understanding which are the strengths of the different strategies and different system. And maybe this is the one for you, right? It's different for everybody. Somebody likes to trade with momentum indicators, somebody likes to trade with RSI and MACD, somebody likes to trade with moving averages. It's different for everybody. The thing is, you need to find one or two indicators that really resonate with your trading style and makes you feel comfortable in the market, and after that you build on top of that, and you just keep trading. And again, don't forget about back testing the strategy on the demo account before heading into real account and trading with real money. This is extremely important. You want to back test every single strategy that you go with. But if you want help with finding what works for you, you already know where to go. Reach out to me on Telegram at @Antrade_pro, or simply click the link in the description below. As always, we're showing losses, we're showing wins on stream, we're trading live, we're making gains, we sometimes take a big loss. It's all part of trading, and I want to show you how it really is and how it can be. We literally a couple of weeks or 3 or 4 weeks ago lost $70,000, and we're already back to 55. So we're beautiful. We're steadily climbing back up, and that's how it can be. So I appreciate you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And as usual, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.